I live in real time, real life, no fantasy. What them know about ambition, cause them not have none. Sit down and a discuss me, looking at crystal ball, coming at me dream about them want to control me. Yea, though I walk to the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. Pestilent, get behind me. Want to come fight me spiritually. Jah, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Just a matter of time. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Spiritually, them want to come fight me. Come fight me spiritually. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Want to come fight me spiritually. Bout this and bout that. And the horse did dead and the cow did fat. But me no know he or she. Jah fight this war for me. Gabriel, Michael, my angels, step up to the fight.